Hola. So we're taking some notes on stem changing verbs in the preterite tense. So dealing with verbs that have a stem change in the present tense and what you do with those when you conjugate them in the preterite. All right. So AR and ER verbs with stem changes in the present tense do not have stem changes in the preterite. Which we've mentioned because we've conjugated verbs like jugar and empezar that have they end in gar and zar, so they have some spelling changes in the yo form, but you don't have to do that u to ue stem change like you do in the present tense for jugar, or that e to ie stem change for empezar, for example. All right, ir verbs with stem changes in the present tense, so it's an ir stem changer, do have stem changes in the preterite tense, but the pattern's different. So for ir verbs only, E changes to I, even if it's an E to IE stem changer in the present tense. And O changes to U, although generally the pattern is O to UE in the present tense. So E to I, O to U. And these changes only occur in the third person singular and plural. So pensar is a common E to IE stem changer in the present tense. I think pienso, you think piensas, and so on. But you can see in the preterite, it's just a completely regular verb. No stem change because this is a verb ending in AR. So pensé, pensaste, pensó, pensamos, pensasteis, pensaron. I thought pensé, you thought pensaste, he or she thought pensó, and so on. Volver means to return or to come back. This is a stem changer in the present tense of O to UE. I come back, vuelvo, you come back, vuelves, and so on. But in the preterite, O does not change. Volví, volviste, volvió, volvimos, volvisteis, volvieron. Just a regular verb in the preterite. So most stem changing verbs are AR and ER verbs. So most of the time, these verbs don't have anything special in the preterite unless they happen to end in car, gar, or zar. However, pedir, to ask for, to request, to order in a restaurant, is an IR stem changer. And you can see just those bottom two conjugations, third person singular and plural, have a stem change. I've had, instead of a boot verb, it's a flip-flop verb, is something that we've said in classes before. So pedí, pediste, totally regular, but here we have that stem change with pidió. Pedimos, pedistes, stem change for pidieron. All right, and dormir, to sleep, IR verb. This one has that O to U in the third person singular and plural. I slept, dormí. You slept, dormiste. He or she slept, durmió. We slept, dormimos. You guys slept, dormisteis. They slept, or you all slept, durmieron. I'll stay on that for a bit longer, sorry. Okay, and one more example. This is an IR verb. Preferir means to prefer. In the present tense, it's an E to IE stem changer, with that second E changing to an IE, like prefiero, prefieres, and so on. In the preterite, all of them are conjugated regularly except for the third person, singular and plural. So we've got preferí, preferiste, prefirió, preferimos, preferistes, prefirieron. And there we have